A successful project demands a compact strategy aligned with user needs. What if you can stay on the same page, understand their needs, and complete a cracking project? Introducing FluentRoadmap, a game-changing add-on and a huge step towards making FluentBoards a complete project management solution. FluentRoadmap is a visual tool that bridges the project management process with your client's requirements, bringing clarity and accountability to your workflow. As it comes with FluentBoards Pro, you need nothing extra to manage it separately. Simply install FluentRoadmap and you're good to get started. Just the way you create a new board, click Add Board, then provide a title and description. The magic box to convert your board into roadmap awaits right below. Tick the box and it will ask you to define stages. Once you deal with the stages, save it to take off with FluentRoadmap. FluentRoadmap offers the same customization options as FluentBoards, with an interesting feature to watch out for. Easily decide which stages to show publicly and which to keep behind the scenes. It's super easy with the Make This Stage Admin Only button in the settings. That's not all. Just select the I button and the board information with the description will appear. From there, you can readily select a page to showcase your roadmap or copy and paste the link to any page you want. Once you are up with FluentRoadmap, your customers can share their views, which will be added directly to the backend. And the Upvote feature will never fail you to understand your client's needs with a crystal clear idea of their top priorities. Everyone's now on the same page with a bird's eye view, thanks to FluentRoadmap for making it happen. So, keep your clients aligned with your plan, develop a better product together, and unlock long-term success with a simple yet effective solution, FluentRoadmap. Don't wait, grab it now.